Welcome back to Technoguías. In this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your Wi-Fi. Your computer does not allow it. What we are going to do is go to the Windows, a small button, and go to concerts. We are going to work to what is a control panel and open rather read internet, the first option, and the second option, and in this form the third option. Execute automatically the solution of the problems, and then say that. Okay, close here and go to the Windows with click left and connection of the red, and we can see this option here, actualize controllated the red. We can see this page, and that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us.